Hello, today we are going to show you our COB Pro series. Well, as you can see, COB Pro series make higher resolutions and clarity. Options for pitch 0.93 and pitch 1.25 pitch meet the customer's needs of the smaller pitch and higher density. And because the cabinet we designed is die-cast aluminum with the size of 600mm and 337.5mm. For example, for pitch 1.25, 4 pieces cabinets of wide and height, you will get a 2K playback effect, and increase up to 8 pieces of the cabinets for the wide and the height. 8K playback effect can be achieved. Also, you can beating get a punch on the surface. It's okay. Okay, total for one cabinet we installed for 8 pieces LED module. Now I'm going to show you how to put the 1 pieces to take off. And here is the single modules you will have. And also, because we use for the COB technology, so the surface of the modules, you can put some water in it. It's okay. Okay, now, so after using that, we will put it back. Also, be careful for we have the standards of the cabinets. We have to make it for the one direction. Okay, now it can display very well. Also, with the here, you can also with some water on the surface. It will be okay.